looking at a beautiful woman. Killboy. Pure Miata mayhem right there. I am glad I'm going the other direction, following Harleys. This dude probably thinks he's faster here. He won't use a pull-off. He won't go to speed limit, and he won't use the pull-off. Gotta love Harley owners. He thinks he's just hauling butt. He thinks he's the fastest guy on this road. Won't use a pull-off. Brand new Hyundai. He's almost going as fast as the Harley. Nah, he's going faster than the Harley. He knows where pull-off is. I'm not a huge fan of people standing on the edge of the road. That's just me. This section cleaned up pretty good in the last week or so. That storm was bad. If you watch my video from, I guess that was a Wednesday after the Tuesday night storm, all of this was just a mud hole. It was a dirty, nasty, muddy mess. Huge props to TN Dot, because they were out here early in the morning cleaning up this mess. It was horrible. There's the Porsche Club being chased by a Miata S2000. S2000 really holds its value well. That's a car Honda needs to make again. Killboy. Whoa, they used a pull-off? I wasn't expecting that. They won't use a pull-off. Indiana. What's a pull-off? Oh, they did. We are almost done with this road, and it's actually been a pretty fun ride. They drove all the way from Florida in a Hyundai just to ride this road. And not use a pull-off. Alright, that wasn't too bad. The road was a little bit damp in places, but for the most part, not a lot of traffic going south. Here we go, Deals Gap store. That dude should stand at the crosswalk. Man, welcome to the Deals Gap store. Woohoo! Good times. This is what it looks like a Miata day. Two chicks in a Miata, that's hot. Two dudes in a Miata. Oh no, they just look alike. If you look like your wife, maybe she needs to get a diet. All right, I'm out of here.